have arrived on our Finnair airplane and we are praying that no one sits next to us. If they don't, then we have the whole row to ourselves. This flight should take about 13 hours and then we arrive into Helsinki. So this vlog starts off exactly where my last vlog ended. We're currently about 2 hours away, or maybe 3 hours away from Helsinki. It's been a 13-hour flight. I have luckily slept most of the way. I have had this lady behind me kicking my chair the whole time, which hasn't been good, but it's okay. We're nearly there. So we've just landed in Helsinki and Tal and I are like, oh my god, we got like so early off the plane. I went to the bathroom and whatever. I'm like, oh my goodness, so early, like at front of the line, where is the line? We could hear our bags, like the only ones besides a few others on those ones over there. I'm going to try and figure out how to get to the centre of Helsinki near where we're staying from the airport. So let's go. We're currently on this massive escalator towards the train station and we're going to get the train into Helsinki. The train station is right in the airport, so hopefully it's nice and easy. Yep. Made it to Helsinki. Our Google Maps are like freaking out and they're like, there's no bridge for us to go over like it's saying. So then we found this tunnel, we think it's this tunnel. It's nice and clean in here though. So we'll soon find out. Well, up these stairs. Okay, so we have checked into our hotel. We're staying at the Hotel Arthur in Helsinki and we're having a buffet breakfast. And I saw these things. This is a gluten-free one. They had gluten-free, but I saw them in the buffet area. It kind of looks like cheese. I don't know. It's like a cheesy, I don't even know. It's actually good. We've now left breakfast and we're going to walk towards a Starbucks because I feel like a matcha ever since I had a really good one in Osaka. And then we're going to walk to the Cathedral. I think that's what it's called, but we'll check and see anyways. I have been seeing the word Molly everywhere. I saw a place called Le Molly in Osaka yesterday. I wonder if I'll just see my name in every city. Could you imagine? Just a sign I'm meant to be here. We just be in Finland right now. We've just gotten our Starbucks. I got a matcha, once again, really good, very yummy. And then we asked the girl that was working in there, we said, where should we go? We're here for one day, where should we go? She said the Cathedral. She said also the library because it looks really cool. And then she said that it's meant to turn into a really nice day, so there's a certain area that we should go look at. So I think we're just gonna take that advice and do that. But something really different here compared to Australia is the times that their cafes open. You're probably thinking like, why go to Starbucks when you can go to a Starbucks anywhere in the world? It's actually because most of the cafes aren't open early in the morning. Because we got here at around, I don't know, between 6 and 7. It was all a blur, to be honest. And a lot of the cafes aren't open till like 10, 11. And I was like, how are you meant to get your morning coffee? Or is coffee culture more of an Australian morning thing? I don't know. But very interesting. We have made it to the Helsinki Cathedral. It's pretty cool. I feel like every time that I come and see something overseas, it's under construction. I don't know why, but it's still cool without it. Tal didn't even notice that it was actually under construction. So I think that says enough. But we also feel very underdressed, so but we can come back later. We're actually not staying too far away from here, so it doesn't matter. We're now going to some library. So I guess once we're up here we have to be quiet. We have now returned back to our hotel and have checked in, and this is our room for the night. So we've chucked our bags down already. It's nice and little. Hi. We have our 2 little beds there. All we need. And then it looks out to this building. It's perfect for what we're up to. We're only here for one night. Where we are staying have a sauna. So my brother and I, we have booked in the sauna and we're going to go and check it out and sweat out all the toxins from being on the plane. We've just gone to a supermarket. I want to make sure that I try the culture. So we got some Finnish chocolate, which we'll try later. I'm now going to try this chocolate. Apparently it's from Finland, so I got it in the truffle flavour. It's honestly really good. We're just about to check out and then we're on our way to the airport. It's currently like 4:15 a.m. The sun does not go down during the summer. It's actually crazy. Like the sun goes down at 10:55, at least that's what it said on my phone. But it is still light, even when the sun goes down. So it's currently the 25th of June and we're at Helsinki airport to go to Dubrovnik, Croatia. But I have to tell you guys this story of what happened last night. So as you know, in Helsinki during the summer, at least during this time of the year, it is bright all day, all night. Like if you open up the window at 3 a.m, it's bright outside or light outside. And so I was like, okay, we need to go to bed at like 7 p.m. because we have to wake up at 3 a.m. today to get to the airport for our flight. And so I put on my eye mask because it's light, put on my eye mask, go to sleep. And then like an hour later, Tal wakes me up and he's like, oh my God, oh. And I'm like, I like wake up and I like lift up my eye mask. I'm like, what? He's like, we've missed our plane. It's 8 a.m. And it's like, he's like, look, it's light outside. I'm like, what? I jump out of bed. I've never gone out of bed so quick in my life. And then I like check my phone. I'm like, oh my God, like obviously my eye mask is still on. And I'm like, oh my God, I ring Mum, who's in Australia, 4 a.m. in Australia. And I'm like, Mum, we've missed our plane. Oh my God. Like I'm fully freaking out because Tal's just told me that it's 8 a.m. and I obviously take his word for it. And then Mum's like, oh my God, you're going to miss your boat, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, oh my God. And then Mum goes, it's in 7 hours. Go back to sleep. You have another 7 hours. It's tomorrow. And I'm like, what the hell? And Tal's like, oh my God, I thought it was the morning. It was so funny. And I still keep laughing about it because it was funny. And Tal doesn't think it's funny. He thought it was funny last night, but not anymore. So that was that. But that is the end of my Helsinki video. Stay tuned for what is coming up next.